Hi guys, so today I'm going to hike Okhreni Waterfall. The initial plan was to do Sundarijal hike today, but I'm suffering from severe chronic back pain from last few weeks. That is the reason why I did not put any hiking video lately. And today also it's not that good, but I felt like staying at home and just resting might be making it worse. So I'm just going to be hiking, but not a very difficult hike, since Chandragiri is very steep and it's straight uphill, and the downhill would be even worse. So that's the reason why I chose Okhreni, because as I've heard, it's not very steep. It's like a village, hiking through a village, so must be easy, because I don't want to go too hard on this back pain. Actually the pain point is starting at my hip and going all the way down to my right leg. So yeah, cannot take much risk, but staying at home is also not a good option. So we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm very excited today, and the weather is also very nice. It might rain, but I have my raincoats and rain covers, so that's okay. I don't know today how I am going to hike because I've taken a gap of more than 3 weeks. Probably it would be safe to say a month at least. So after all this time, I don't know how my legs, my body is going to react to hiking. Even though it's a little easier, but still hiking for 2 hours straight is a big deal. Is this a one way? Good. No, it is not. I'll look at the maps. I don't know the exact location. I'll see where I have to go. Okay, I'll take right from here. Do you guys also feel like the roads that are on the bank of river inside Kathmandu Valley, all the roads that are on the bank of river are so goddamn beautiful, but the only problem is the smell, because every road inside Kathmandu Valley that's on the side of a river, it's so gorgeous, but the only problem is the smell. But here it does not smell very foul, it does not smell very bad, because I guess the reason is the river is a little farther from the road. In some other parts the river is just beside, in the Sankhamul area and the other areas, the Radhapul, Kalapul, whatever pool, in those areas the river is just beside the road and it smells so bad, but the roads are so good to look at. If only the rivers of Kathmandu are clean someday, these roads are going to be the most beautiful road in the world, at least for the people of Kathmandu. Oh, whoa, now it smells very bad. Yuck. What is that temple? Looks so beautiful. Looks golden temple. Looks like a golden temple. Ah, this smells like my village, man. Wow. These trees. Ah, wow. I just hit nostalgia. What? Nostalgia, yeah. I just remembered that video of Arus and Leila, the Indian YouTubers. You guys might know them. They say nostalgia hit ho gaya. Nostalgia. For a moment there, I also forgot how it's pronounced. Nostalgia hit ho gaya. Oh damn, the roads are not good. I'm not going to go this side. I'll take a right from here. Whoa, the roads are so bad, but not a long section of bad road. That on that side I think the roads are really bad, messed up. Okay, this is also not that good. Okay, we'll adjust, no worries. Okay, take it slow, man. Take it slow and gentle. Take it slow. Yep, just like that. Okay. Let's go. Oh, wheelie! I just saw a wheelie, man. Please do it once more, man. I just want it on camera. Nice, that was a good wheelie. Look at this small forest and the mountains. They look so clean today. It was raining for a few days, so it has cleaned all the dust, and the greenery of the trees and the forest is just uplifted, and it looks so goddamn good. Wow. Today's hike is going to be really fun. I'm already feeling hyped up, and this is going to be fun. Hey, hello cute dog. Don't walk like that in the middle of the road, please. You'll get hit by some stupid people. Whoa. Hey, Kaji. I'm already feeling hungry. I think I should stop, have something, and then continue hike. Otherwise, I'll be very hungry. Jai Ho Bole Baba ki. I'll let them go. If I sped up, they'll feel like I'm trying to race with them, so I don't want that. Wow, it already started to feel so good. And probably just 10 more minutes in the bike, and then we'll start hiking. Oh, what happened here? Some lafda. So we are here at Sundarijal now. We're entering, and few meters ahead there's parking for bikes, probably, because last time there was. And after that we'll start hiking. And god damn, it looks so damn beautiful. Oh. I'll ask if there's parking anywhere near. Uncle, यता बाइक राख्ने ठाउँ छ र कतै? यहाँ माथि? ए अङ्कल मलाई पानी दिनुहोस् न एक बोतल अनि बाहिरकै दिनु प्लिज. So I parked my bike there and now the hike will start from here. So I am ready. I'll take it very slow today because it's more about the healing process than me reaching to the destination early. So I'll just slowly move today. We are at the gate of Sivapuri National Park. So this is how my hike started. Look at this. Whew. At the ticket counter where I was turning after getting my ticket, there was how do I say? There was nothing, and my feet went down and I fell down and I had camera in my hand, so I had to protect my camera and sacrifice my hand. So this is how it starts, but never mind, man. I'll wash my hands. Shit. It's burning. Shoot. It's burning. Like every other places, this place also has a lot of stairs to start with, and to be honest, this weather feels really nice, and yeah, I'm having fun, a lot of fun. So I'm entering a military base, and I think they're here. They'll check my bags and everything. So this is it. I cannot, probably won't be allowed to record in there. So yeah, just wanted to inform you that there will surely be checking here. So yeah, honestly, for someone who has back pain in their leg, I think this hike is really good. It's so beautiful and not very hard. There's stairs, but mostly it's till now it's just straight going, no uphills, no very hard terrain. It's very simple, easy. It's very beautiful hike. I don't think this is burning like hell, man. What am I supposed to do with this? I don't have any ointment to put on, and no bandages, no nothing, so this might be a problem. No, not a big problem, but still it's hurting, so it's distracting me. But hopefully the noise of this jungle will make me forget about this in a while, because it's so soothing. The crickets and these birds, so nice. And which side is Okhreni? This way it's a temple. Oh, here's Okhreni. So I'm supposed to go to Okhreni and this is the way. Here it says Okhreni this side. There's this some temple, and I don't know which destination this way leads to, so let's go in this direction. Let me show you something really, really beautiful. And look at this. Wow. Oh, dang. This is the reason why I, despite being in pain, like to come on hikes, because you get to see views like this and you almost forget that you are in pain. And that's the best feeling in the world for me. There's a bridge here, but I don't know if this is the way to Okhreni or not. There's no board, no nothing. Let's see if there's anything written over there. Uncle, Okhreni जाने यताबाट कि यताबाट? Okhreni जाने चाहिँ यहाँबाट हो त? यहाँबाट चाहिँ कहाँ जानु? यहाँ पनि यो खोलाबाट जानु. ए यो चाहिँ पुल हो. त्यहाँ चाहिँ खोलाबाट जान्छ. ए हस्. पहिला त्यो बाटो थियो नि? हजुर. अहिले यो पुल हानेर चाहिँ यो बाटो. ए हस् हस् धन्यवाद. So over there I asked an uncle which way is Okhreni. He told me that I have to cross the bridge and follow the way that along the bank of the river. So yeah. Oh, even if I had gone through that other road, I think it would have eventually meet over here, because he told me if you go on that side you have to cross the river, and before the bridge was established, the locals had to cross this river and go in this direction to go to Okhreni. And so that's a good thing that in places like this where it's needed, the rivers. Oh, I see something here, man. Look over there. Look at this. This looks like it was made to cross the river, but I'm not sure. But it does look like that, no? It looks like a zip line that was made before the bridge was established for the locals to cross the river. Maybe I'm wrong. If anyone of you are from Okhreni, do let me know if I'm wrong or not, because it sure does look like that to me. A zip line made to cross the river, no? Or maybe I'm just wrong. I don't know. Nice. The trail looks really nice. Ooh, wow. After walking for 1.5 hours, I've reached to this road, and this road looks like it's for vehicles. Nice, man. Ooh. So we eventually reached in a road that's for vehicles, and we'll walk in this road for a while, and maybe we'll find another hiking trail after this. I was walking in the wrong direction for maybe a few minutes, and I asked someone over there, where's Okhreni Jharna, and they said you completely came in the wrong direction. and so I'm just going back now. I wasn't even looking at my Google Maps location. I was just walking, and I eventually lost my way. Not lost, but yeah, same thing. I came into a wrong direction. Oof, man. Now I have to just walk back. I guess from the place where I found this road, there was for vehicles. I should not have taken a right turn. Maybe I should have kept going towards left. Then it would have been a right way. That is just my guess, but let's see. Now I'll just look at my location, Google Maps location, and follow it. There's still 1 hour's walk. It would have been short, but me being me, I lost my way, and now I just have to get back again. Ooh. Now the sun is very bright. I thought it's going to rain today, and I wish it rains today, man. Really, I really wish it rains. See, I was right. This is this is where I met this main road. I should have just gone to this direction, but instead I went over there. So that's how I missed the road. Okay, so now I understand. So I just have to chill for a moment, look at my maps, and quietly follow the roads, not just walk around like a madman. I'll keep that in my mind in my further future treks. So as long as you are making mistakes in smaller steps, smaller hikes, it's better, because you will learn a few more things and you will avoid those mistakes in a big trek, because in a bigger treks small mistakes can also be fatal. So that's good, and that is the reason why I'm doing small hikes. So I will learn everything I need to learn before moving to bigger trials, treks. So yeah, in a way it is good. It's good to make mistakes. At least that's what I can say when I make so many mistakes every freaking day. I was walking on a concrete road for about 20 minutes, I guess, but then I found this way from besides a concrete way, and I hope I'm walking on a right way. By the sound I can hear bikes that are going on the road. It feels like it's just nearby, so my guess is I'm not going in the wrong direction. This looks like a proper trail, so yeah, I just walk in this one because I was so tired of walking on the concrete. It's a steep concrete road, not something I signed up for. So yeah, this looks about right to me. See the village over there? That is Okhreni. We're almost there now. Probably maybe 1.5 kilometers. Matter of fact, let me check it. Yeah, 1.5 kilometers. About 1.5 kilometers left. Let's go. I'm tired now because I walked on the wrong direction for quite a long time, and getting back from there took my energy, but that's fine. Not everything always has to go your way. Sometimes these detours are the thing that make you remember these rides, these hikes for a very long time, so I'm fine with that. This is such a beautiful village. Wow. Everywhere you look, you'll see greenery. Everywhere. It is so good. the air started to become very fresh. And here's a hiking trail. I wonder where it takes me to. Okay, I will go from this. I guess this is the way. Just have a look at this view. Just have a look. And you know what? My wish seems like it's going to be fulfilled. Look at the clouds. They look like rain cloud. It might rain today. Hopefully. And look at that house. Such a beautiful house. I believe I'm already there. Is that it? ये तो शुरू होते खत्म हो गया भाई. That's it. यति नै हो झर्ना. झर्नामा चाहिँ क्राउड चाहिँ एकदमै हुँदो रहेछ. यहाँ पनि एउटा सानो खोल्सा रहेछ. एकचोटि हेरौँ भनेर आएको यता. So I'll be on my way back now, but before that I'll just go uphill, see if there's anything else, and then I'll return. I see the waterfall is not that big, but here I feel like the crowd is a little too much. But it is a fun place. It is a fun place if you want to come here, visit with your friends, have a small picnic and take some bath, do swimming. This can be a good place. So you can definitely come visit here. Even on weekdays it is so crowded. On weekends probably there's a lot of crowd. And I'm done, man. I'm not going to go uphill anymore. There's a small heart-shaped thing called I love Okhreni. I have no interest in taking pictures over there. I'll just be on my way down now. My feet started to hurt, so I'm doing water therapy. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. And if you have any suggestions for which next hike should I do for a bike to hike series that can be done in a day, please let me know in the comments. Bye bye, thank you, have a great day.